welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, we are going to see some lovely collections of chiffon sarees and georgette sarees, semi-georgettes. It's going to be a mixed variety of synthetic sarees, but very different designs with lovely borders and beautiful patterns in the blouses. And all these sarees are going to be simple hand wash sarees, very low maintenance, but looking classy. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. It's a very beautiful chiffon saree. It's a metal chiffon saree. Looks really simple, elegant, casual wear sarees. Mustard with a brown color combination in contrast, and inside the saree also we have a small design, a self design. Very beautiful saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, a pretty pallu, and a very beautiful blouse. So this is the blouse of the saree, a pretty saree with a nice blouse like the border, and the price of this saree is 830. In the same metal chiffon, we have some beautiful designs and colors. I'll show you that. This is a light mauve color with a very pretty contrast border on both the sides. It's all printed. A beautiful saree this is. So this is going to be the saree. A very pretty color. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse will be like this, it will be like the border, so it will be very pretty when you wear it. And the price of this saree is 830. The next color in the same lot is going to be a very beautiful peacock blue. In that the border is in contrast rust color combination. So this is the body. This is how it is. Looks really nice when you wear it. Very flowy material. யாருக்கு நல்ல flowy material பிடிக்குமோ, syntheticல கொஞ்சம் நல்ல costly sarees, rich sarees கேக்குறீங்களோ, it's a very good option. This is the pallu, and again the blouse is going to be in this pattern, and the price of the saree is 830. The next is going to be a light red, a pinkish red. In that the border is in black. அழகா இருக்கும் wear பண்ணும்போது, ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கு. Simple casual wear sarees, and this is the pallu, and the blouse will be like the same. So this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 830. The next is going to be green with a beautiful navy blue bandhani type border. These are all very pretty sarees. This is how it's going to be. Very beautiful one, and a dark green, and the pallu is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the next is going to be a light blue with dark navy blue border. So this is how the saree is, light blue with navy blue, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse is going to be as the same, and the price of the saree is 830. It's a lovely chiffon saree in a nice sea green color with an attached border on both the sides of the saree. It looks really class. It's all semi chiffon, very beautiful pattern, a very pretty floral print running along the body, and this is the pallu, and on the corner, on the edges, we have the borders again. And for this saree we have a beautiful blouse in raw silk, semi raw silk material. So this is the blouse in semi raw silk material, and the price of this saree is 820. In the same chiffon pattern we have some other beautiful colors. This is a beautiful mango yellow, very beautiful color, nice dark mango yellow. So this is the body of the saree in semi chiffon pattern. Very lovely color. The next is going to be light green, a very beautiful light green, a lovely light green, and the price of this saree is 820. In the same pattern chiffon saree, it's a very very lovely light yellow, more of a light fenugreek color. It looks really pretty. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு saree. Chiffon sarees யாருக்கெல்லாம் பிடிக்கும், flowy material யாருக்கு பிடிக்கும் அவங்களுக்குலாம் இது வந்து the best saree. Attached border இருக்கு. So ஒரு functions, குட்டி functionsக்குலாம் கூட கட்டிட்டு போயிடலாம். பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். Very beautiful saree. And the price of this saree is 820. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful pink color chiffon saree. Very class. Simple, elegant, அழகா இருக்கும் இந்த sareesலாம். அவ்வளோ அழகா flowy material இதெல்லாம். And the price of this saree is 820. It's a beautiful Georgette chiffon saree, like no really nice material. It's not transparent, it's slightly more thicker material, so you can actually single pleat these sarees also. I've actually single pleated it. Both the sides we have a lovely cute attached border, and inside the body also we have a small work, some small little tiny dots in it, which makes the saree look really class. A beautiful different pattern, a geometric pattern. And the pallu of the saree is in this with attached border, and a very class blouse for this saree. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 890. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful brown color, very earthly colors, and the attached border is in a darker brown. It's really pretty. The color is very nice, very different. So this is the body, a beautiful color combination. And the pallu of the the pallu is going to be a simple pallu, and the blouse is in contrast. So this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 890. The next is going to be a beautiful navy blue in the same pattern. Very pretty saree, very flowy, nice rich saree. Even for functions, when you wear it, it will be very different. For small functions, you can wear the sarees. It looks really class, very beautiful. The pattern is. And this is the blouse, a contrast blouse. And the next is going to be a light green, more of a, yeah, see, a very very pretty light green, beautiful shade. This is the body, very very pretty one. And this is the blouse of the saree. This is the blouse, a contrast blouse, and the price of this saree is 890. The next is going to be light grey, very pretty grey, and the border is more like a darker black. It's not black, it's more of a dark green, but looks almost like black. So this is the body. So this is the body, very pretty one. And the pallu of the saree is this, the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 890. It's a very nice brasso silk material, a very lovely green with a grey color combination, beautiful combination, contrast combination. On the border we have an attached border, and above that attached border we have a contrast border which has been completely self jacquard design. These jacquard designs will make the saree look very class and rich, and throughout the body it's a brasso design, floral pattern running along the body. And the pallu of the saree is this with attached border on the corners, and a very cute contrast blouse. So this is the blouse of the saree in grey with a green color border, and the price of this saree is 1150. It's a beautiful dark blue color, or more dark peacock blue color shade, crepe silk material. In that, a very beautiful attached border. It's a beautiful material. Than a crepe, it's more like a matka silk material. Very very beautiful. When you feel the material, you just fall for this material. Both the sides a beautiful attached border in zari, and throughout the body we have a beautiful small bandhani pattern print running throughout the body of the saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, a simple pallu, and a very class blouse for this saree. This is the blouse of the saree, and it's a jacquard pattern blouse, if you could see it, and it's all embroidery. These designs are all embroidery, these are not prints. You have a self jacquard with an embroidery pattern in the blouse, and the price of this saree is 1500. It's a beautiful pink color crepe silk material, a very very lovely material, very flowy material. Both the sides zari border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful small bandhani pattern design running along the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari, a very beautiful pallu. And the blouse of the sari is in a floral pattern. So this is the blouse of the sari with attached border, very pretty and different one. And the price of this sari is 1500. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.